So we're on the 10th floor of the Hyatt Regency Baltimore, the King Harbor View Suite. It's a nice room. Here have a TV, have a seat. TV seems to have Google Chromecast. I'm not sure what else. You have drawers here, 6 drawers, table, another table. Get to the great view. I usually would wait to show you this, everyone, but here you have the great view of the harbor. It's a nice day. That's what you pay for, the view. A seat. You have nice king bed, your lights. No other drawers. You have charging stations on both sides of the bed. Not sure what this may be, but I will figure that out soon. Sound conditioner, whatever that is. So you have a coffee maker, coffee. You have a refrigerator here, a small refrigerator. And you do have your closet with your iron board, and a safe. Told they do not have housekeeping at the moment. However, you can request anything you may need. Here's a nice size bathroom. Yeah, nice size shower. Very nice. Nice size bathroom. Towels are enough for a couple nights stay. Yeah, so there you have it. There you go.